Lionel, what are we gonna do?
Don't worry about it, Snarf. We'll be just fine. We'll find the rest of the Thundercats, and together we'll destroy Mumra once and for all. Previously on Thundercats. Good, mutants. Good. We will make this Thundercat frozen like this Thundercat. Together we will freeze this Thundercat, and we shall have Lion-O. And together we will defeat Thundercats after all.
You'll never stop Lionel and the rest of the Thundercats.
Stupid fool, Panthro, there's no escape for you. Look at your friend Wily Kit. He is frozen for eternity. Wily Kit, are you okay?
Snarf, are you okay, Wily Cat? Yes, I'm okay, Rhino. But they have taken Wily Cat. They have frozen him, and they've taken Panthro. Otherwise, the Thundercats are missing. We will do something.
Don't worry, we'll do something. Wily Kit and Snarf save the day. Can they save the Thundercats before their time is up? You won't get away with this, Mumra. You will be turned to stone just as your friends. For I am Mumra. Will Lino save his frozen friends? Will Lino save the Thundercats and defeat Mumra? And this is your lot of Thundercats. You get Thundercats and mutants, and you get the Thunder Tank. You're also gonna get this, Regreso de los Felinos, a rare vintage when I was a kid Thundercat plastic bag full of PVC-like characters. We all have weapons. There's Lion-O, there's Mumra, there's a bunch of figures. Also gonna get Wily Kit, Boomra, Snarf. I'm sorry, that was Wily Kit, that's Wily Cat. And Lino, Mumra, Condor, Slay. There you go, that's your lot right there.